How to share a YouTube video on Instagram story. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Let's get right into the tutorial. Open the YouTube application on your device first and select the video that you want to share in Instagram. You will see the share button there. Tap on that and there you will get various options for sharing, but you will not see the Instagram option. So in order to share the video in Instagram, tap on the copy link option. And once the link is copied to your clipboard, open the Instagram application and swipe right and you will be led to your story. Select a picture or just take a random blank snap and then tap on the sticker icon on the top right of your screen. You will see the option for link. Tap on that and now under URL, paste the link we copied earlier and then tap on done. With this, the link has been copied to Instagram story. Tap on your story button there and this is how you share a YouTube video on Instagram. Go to your profile now and tap on your profile icon. You will be led to your story. Tap on the link there and you can see we are led to the YouTube video we just copied. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.